showing you guys real quick. So in the front, we have a stolen revolver rim. It's holding up pretty good right now. It's the only thing I have so far. In the front, we have stock fit forks. They're holding up pretty good, but I haven't had enough money to get new ones. Stem, we have a Demolition Monarch. It's pretty good. Demolition I really like. And for bars, we have Colt D-Heart. They're pretty good. My friend gave them to me as a gift, so they're free. And grips, we have ODIs, ODI Barnes, same old. And cranks, we have Profiles, Spine Drive, it's a tie spindle, and Odyssey Twisted pedals. We have a Fit sprocket, a Colt chain, back wheel, a runaway laced to a profile with some spokes for tie. Tires, we have Demolition Momentums. Seat post, it's Fit. It's alright. It's the only one I have so far. Seat, Demolition Market. It's pretty good. And look, pegs, we have Odyssey J pegs. They're pretty good. They slide pretty well. And last but not least, my frame, a kink outfit. Pretty good.